Hello guys, did you know that there's a place to install a tow hook on the front of your car? This tow hook usually comes with your spare tire change kit, and on the front bumper of most cars you'll have a little round plastic piece like this. The reason that's there is it's there so that you can pop it out and put this tow hook in case you need to be pulled out by somebody. So generally you'll have a tire iron with a little flat piece like this, which you will stick in to pop this out, or you can get a knife. Just be very careful if you have a nice car, because it will chip the paint pretty easy. But you can see that pops out, and down inside there you're not going to be able to see it, but there's a place that this tow hook goes back in there, and it threads in. You can see that there's threads on this. You'll slide it back in here, and then you will twist it in as far as you can get it. Sometimes they're dirty, but if they're dirty, to get it in better, you can use your tire iron to twist it on. Give yourself some leverage to twist it in. But once you got it twisted in all the way, you have this nice tow hook that you can then hook something to help pull you out if you get stuck, or tow you if you need a tow. All right, I hope everybody enjoyed this video and you learned something good. Have a great day.